Hundreds of people have gathered at Launceston Civic Square to rally against COVID vaccines. The protest was held by members of national organisation Reclaim the Line, who spoke about the risks of vaccines, arguing they are not safe for children. The event coincided with similar rallies across the country today. A Launceston family is pleading for help after their teenage daughter fell ill after receiving the Pfizer vaccine. Faith Ranson has been in and out of hospital and suffers almost daily tics after experiencing what a leading doctor admits was an adverse reaction to the vaccine. From a happy and healthy teenage girl to this. Faith Ranson received the second dose of the Pfizer vaccine in August last year.
3 days later, I woke up one morning to go to school and I started feeling really unwell. I didn't feel right, like something just wasn't right, and I was in a lot of pain.
What followed was months of doctor visits and specialist appointments trying to get to the bottom of the 16-year-old's pain.
It evolves the whole time. So now we've got, nausea, huge weight loss. She just can't keep anything down.
Her parents, both vaccinated, received confirmation from the Tasmanian Specialist Immunisation and Allergy Clinic, which investigates adverse effects to COVID, stating there is no question Faith has had a delayed reaction to the second Pfizer vaccination.
Everyone just took a step back, didn't want to deal with it. We were made to feel like it was all in her head. I don't know how you can fake the tics like she gets them sometimes, and to tick for 3-4 hours is a long time.
Faith hasn't been eligible for the federal government's COVID vaccine claim scheme because she doesn't have one of the 7 clinical conditions identified. She's currently on a long waiting list at the Royal Children's Hospital in Melbourne.
They have paediatric neurologists over there that specialise in kids, and there's also, they're a lot more aware because they've been in the grips of COVID and everything for so long now. The feeling is they are more equipped than here to handle it.
Good evening. For the public, the long days of lockdown may be over, but inside our hospitals, the pandemic is as real and as deadly as ever. Tonight, as we mark the loss of 36 people from COVID, our exhausted doctors and nurses are hard at work trying to save hundreds more.
36 lives lost to the virus, and it brought out a premier with a much more sober tone.
Well, today is a very difficult day for our state.
Of the 36 fatalities, the youngest was in their 40s, while 2 were in their 50s. The 3 all had serious health conditions and 2 weren't vaccinated. Of the 36 fatalities, 2 weren't vaccinated.